We are TT Line. Since the company's founding in 1962, we have become a leading figure in the maritime industry of the Baltic Sea, pioneering shipping technologies and creating a brand which has come to stand for quality, precision, and environmental awareness. We are constantly working towards increasing efficiency and thus the sustainability of our fleet through innovation and future-oriented action. Every year we transport more than 1 million passengers and 500,000 units of freight, making us a market leader in direct transport for southern Sweden. Our fleet contains 9 modern RoPax ferries, which operate between Germany, Sweden, Poland and Lithuania, connecting the European continent and Scandinavia. We are a system-relevant key player in European infrastructure, and we see it as our responsibility to proactively promote the success of Agenda 2030, ensuring we create a future worth living for generations to come. We have set our main objective to be reduction of CO2 emissions by 40% per transport unit until 2035.
Since we started operating in 1962, we have taken a pioneering role in the utilization of future-oriented technologies across all areas of operation. In our route between Germany and Sweden, emissions have already been reduced by 35% since 2010. Throughout the years, we have been continuously innovating our ferries, increasing their comfort and efficiency. For instance, Tinkerbell. Like all our ferries, she has been designed to minimize resistance both above and below waterline. But she has also undergone revolutionary, first-of-its-kind extension, lengthening the entire vessel by 30 meters to increase passenger and freight capacities, while maintaining the same level of fuel consumption to further increase efficiency. Tinkerbell is powered by a modern diesel-electric propulsion system where energy generation and propulsion can be separated, enabling the machines to run at optimal operation point where efficiency is highest and particle emission is lowest. Another exciting innovation that we are utilizing as a global pioneer is the waste heat recovery system in our ferry Robin Hood, which can generate up to 400 kilowatt of electricity that would otherwise be lost through heat dissipation.
On most of our vessels, we use AI software for voyage optimization, helping to achieve the highest possible energy efficiency throughout our crossings. Considering the vessel's hydrodynamic parameters, such as the shape of the hull and the sea and weather conditions, an optimal proceeding for the upcoming crossing can be calculated and implemented during the voyage. In 2022, we reached a milestone by launching our first LNG-powered green ships, Niels Holgersson and Peter Pan. The green ships utilize a wide range of modern technologies and have those been rated with 5 stars on the Clean Shipping Index.
Using LNG delivers significant environmental benefits. It reduces CO2 emissions from diesel engines up to 60% and cuts particle emissions by 93% annually per freight unit. Additionally, it lowers sulfur oxide emissions by 98% and nitrogen oxide emissions by 82%, all without the need for complex gas treatment. This innovation represents a cleaner and more sustainable approach to energy creation. We are not only a pioneer in using LNG in the southern Baltic Sea, but have gone a step further and are able to operate on climate impact negative liquefied biogas. By using this fuel, we are estimating to reduce our fleet's CO2 emission by a further 2,500 tons in 2025. With the future development of this next generation of green ships, we will continue to push the boundaries of technology. Not only do we take action ourselves, but we also work on enabling others to do so. We offer customers the option of 100% CO2-free travel by purchasing CO2 compensation to offer their carbon emissions by paying for liquefied biogas. By introducing e-charging stations on our green ships, we have been able to promote a greener solution to our guests' onward journey, making electric vehicles a convenient alternative for customers, establish confidence in customers that environmental friendly travel is available throughout Europe. Through our intermodal network, we seamlessly integrate sea, rail and road transportation, connecting major intermodal hubs across Europe. This green transportation solution facilitates the shift of roads from road to rail, significantly reducing CO2 emissions and enabling other companies to operate in a more sustainable way. The significant recent development is in ship-side shore power as part of an international initiative called the Green Corridor. The ports of Trelleborg in Sweden and Lübeck in Germany are collaborating with us and other shipping industry stakeholders to embark on an ambitious initiative to connect vessels to local power grids at berth. This significantly reduces emissions and noise pollution in the ports and surrounding areas. This energy used is 100% renewable, generated by wind turbines in Trelleborg's harbor.
T-Line is a company with a history of innovation. We are pleased to be able to utilize the most sustainable means of propulsion to date with our Bio-LNG powered green ships, but also hope that future innovations will eventually create technological framework to make ferry shipping of this scale exclusively electronic. We recognize the challenges we face in fighting climate change, but we are taking responsibility to drive Agenda 2030 forward and lead the shipping industry toward a more sustainable future.